He's getting dead. Do you know though? I wish I was that damn happy to be dancing at the bus stop.
Green Valley.
Get down, buddy. You know, in my own sick way, this is making me feel better. Is that your bus?
No.
Girl.
He's off the hook, I know. Oh, his belly's sticking out.
I know his name now too, you told me. No homo. Oh, I'm definitely sending this to DJ. That part right there. Oh yeah, DJ. He's doing your moves.